Hi guys.
Yes, good morning. So we're going to
Breakfast.
We're going downstairs to have our breakfast dito sa hotel, and it's our last day today.
Let's go
In Belfast. So yun, baba muna kami bago mag-ayos. Let's go! So yan. So actually, this is Leonardo Hotel. And we are in 4th floor. So we're going to the ground floor. And hi. So we're going to have our breakfast. Please wait to be seated. Sabi ko sa'yo. So sige na. Mauna ka na.
Wait lang. Sabi niya, wait to just sit
Kasi lalagyan niya ng ano.
Lalagyan tayo ng pinggan.
So yun.
Dito naman siya.
That's it. Yeah.
So, kuha muna kami ng mga pagkain. Here we go. Ikaw muna. Okay. Wala na, ubos na. Yun sa kabila. Ano yan?
Okay.
Okay.
Side up.
Okay. Nice na.
Pudding yan. Pudding.
Pudding, alright. Alright. Let's go to the other side. So here we are at the other side. Okay. And we have the bread in here. There you go. There's the bread. Do you want to make it hot? Antayin mo nga lang kasi ano to. Conveyor.
Yung cereal.
Okay.
So,
Apple. Okay.
yan. Ang puno din.
Libre lang eh.
What? Grabe siya. Isang pinggan pa lang.
Isang pinggan na ako.
Well, hindi nga. Eh, puno naman yung sayo. Sa akin kanina, hindi. Pa-konti-konti lang kinukuha ko din.
Tingnan ko kung ano makain ko daw.
Tignan mo, uulit pa siya.
Huwag makukunin ha. Baka kunin ng ano eh.
Yung, hindi. Sige. Wala. Ayun nga, nakapag-breakfast na kaming dalawa. Tignan nyo naman kung gano'n karami yung pinggan. As in, breakfast to the max. Hindi na hindi na tayo kakain sa George Market, ha? Kakain na. Kaya yun, ha? Diba? Hindi ko pa nakain to. Muffin.
No? Pwede ba yan?
Oo, paakit ko na yun. Kukunin ko. Bakit? Sinuha ko eh. Yan po, lahat yan. Okay. Busy siya.
Cellphone.
Oh, kaka-cellphone. Busy. Meron silang
Pouch.
area. Couch. Parang waiting area. And if you want to book a cab, here.
Taxi.
Yeah, taxi. Yeah. And here's the bar. Before you can access the lift, you need the card. The key card.
Parang lumalaki na yung dito.
Di ayaw. Ayun, there. And ready to go.
Let's go.
Yeah, ready na. Let's eat.
Ilaw pa tayo.
Yeah, I know.
Dito pala.
Yeah, I know.